Okay, once again, good morning, class. So, in this session, in this video recording, or in this meeting, I want you to share my study formula to pass the board exam. Okay, so now we have audience. We have second year students and, of course, fourth year students. Uh, Even you are still second year students, I want you to learn this formula because at least you can practice as early as now. Okay? So, study formula. So, there will be two topics. Number one is the study formula and the daily study scheme. Okay? For effective learning. In this particular discussion, you will learn the formula, the process, how you are going to study, and the daily study scheme, meaning everyday kung ano yung gagawin mo, how you will study in every day. Okay? Sharing my formula, of course, is always my passion. Okay? So, it's always my pleasure to share my knowledge with regards to how to study in effectively in order to pass the board exam. Okay? Of course, all of you wanted to have that license. So your goal is to have that license, to get that license, because your license is your key. Susi mo yan para ma-practice mo yung iyong profession, yung criminology profession as criminologist. Okay? You cannot practice your profession if you cannot pass the board exam. Okay? Ang susi natin ay ating lisensya, yung PRC license. That's why we are studying criminology subjects so that we can have that license in the near future. So our goal is to get that license. Okay? So ito yung formula. Okay? Tinawag ko itong Eric's formula. Okay? Bakit Eric's formula? Kasi ako talagang gumawa niyan. And of course, I have the authority to name it. Okay? So ang pangalan ay Eric's formula. We have R plus U plus M. 8H equals P. Okay? Again, R plus U plus M, 8H equals P. Okay? So what does it mean? Ano bang ibig sabihin nito? Okay? So yung R stands for read the text. Meaning, babasahin natin yung anong nakasulat. Kung ano yung topic, let's say for example, criminal law, basahin natin definition of criminal law. So R stand for read the text. U stands for understand the concepts. Meaning, uh, after reading the text, you must understood the text. Meaning, understand what you are reading. Okay? So, you must understand what you are reading. So, hindi pwedeng nagbabasa tayo na wala tayong naiintindihan. Ano ba yung concept? Is the idea of a particular topic or discipline. Kung yan ang binasa mo, you need to understand that concepts. For example, criminal law, you need to understand the concepts of criminal law. Okay? So, ganun yan. Reading is not enough. You need also to understand. Okay? And we have M. M stands for memorize the concepts. Okay? So here, we do not memorize the text. What we are memorizing is the concepts. So pag binasa mo yung criminal law, for example, binasa mo yung definition ng criminal law. Criminal law is a branch of law that defines crime traits of their nature and provide for their punishment. Now, after that, you must understand the definition, the concept. It's about pa- punishing criminals, punishing uh, lawbreaker. So that is the concept of criminal law. Now, ano ang dapat nating i-memorize? Is it the definition, yung word for word, or the concept? Of course, the concept, the idea. Okay? Your understanding to the topic, okay? To the definition. So, yun ang ating i-memorize. Okay? So, I do not encourage na i-memorize word for word. But if you can do it, then that's better. If you can memorize the text and the same time the concept, then it's okay. Okay? But priority natin, the first priority is we must memorize what we understood. Okay? So sa R, read the text. Okay? Basahin. You understand the concepts. Understand what you are reading. M stand for memorize the concepts, meaning you must memorize what you understood. Okay? Kung anong naintindihan mo, yun ang i-memorize mo. That is memorize the concepts. How about it each? Anong ibig sabihin ng it each? Okay? It each meaning the application of reading the test, understanding the concepts, and memorizing the concepts. So for at least 8 hours a day. So that is my suggestion. Okay? So if nahihirapan kayo, if 8 hours in kulang pa sa inyo, then you can have 9 hours, you can have 10 hours. So this is for board exam preparation. For if you are just preparing for only one subject in the criminology program, then okay lang 1 hour. It's up to you. But for purposes of board exam preparation or review preparation, then at least 8 hours a day. But of course, it depends on your goal. If your goal is to not to just to pass, but to top the board examination, yung target mo talaga is top 1, then you need to have more time to study. Okay? So kung kaya mo 15 hours, then gawin mo 'yan. If 10 hours, gawin mo 'yan. If you want to top the board exam. Okay? Of course, our mindset uh will always be that we need to top the board exam. Because if we fail to top the board exam, at least we pass the board exam. Okay, so that's the logic behind it. Okay, so do not just pass the board, but to uh, top the board. Okay, because if we fail to hit our target, at least we are near to the target. Okay, so yan. Ano naman yung equal signs? Okay, equal signs. So after applying all those uh, some sort of processes, the equal sign means the result, and that would be P stand for pass with flying colors. Okay, so uh, yun yan, no? We have R, read the test. U, understand the concepts. M, memorize the concept. 8H, that is a suggestion that you apply the reading, understanding, and memorizing the concepts for at least 8 hours a day. Then, the equal signs meaning the result. Ano ba yung result natin? Is it failed or pass? Of course, P, pass for flying with flying colors. Okay? I hope naintindihan ng lahat. Okay, we have the Eric's Daily Study Scheme for effective learning. Baka magtaka kayo, sir, kailangan ba 8 hours straight magbasa every day? The answer is no. I do not encourage. Not necessary to study 8 hours straight. Okay, dapat may intermittent, meaning putol-putol. Okay? Kasi maging miserable ang buhay natin pag straight talaga, walang pahinga. We need to rest also. So then, of course, very important, inspiration and perspiration are two very important things in our lives. Okay? So 1% inspiration and 2% perspiration. So meaning to say, ano, 99% perspiration. Okay, 99% yan, kindly correct. This is 99% perspiration. Basta 99% yan, perspiration. Then we need to work hard to achieve our goals. Because 99%, yung 99 perspiration, meaning you are working. Perspiration yan. Inspiration naman, we are motivated by something. Okay, so it is only 1% according to study. And we have 99% perspiration. We need to work hard to achieve our goals. Of course, your goal is to be included in the list of passers. Okay? Yan. Now, we have tips for daily study scheme. Then, we have choose a time to study which you are comfortable. If you are comfortable in the morning, thus the best time for you to study is in the morning. Okay? So if you're comfortable in the evening, then the best time for you to study is in the evening. So depende kung ano yung gusto mo. When uh, the best time for you. So nakadepende yan sa inyo. Then study for 1 hour, after which stop, then proceed to anything that will be inspired, that you will be inspired, or something that makes you happy, like for example, playing Mobile Legends, Clash of Clans, basketball, siyempre maraming naglalaro ng Mobile Legends. So that is actually inspiration. Only 1%. Okay? Only 1%. Watching television or be with your partner for at least 15 to 30 minutes. So 15 to 30 minutes. Finally, the cycle is end. So ganito lang yan. Study 1 hour. 1 hour is your perspiration, meaning you are working towards your goal. You are working to achieve your goal. That is 1 hour. And after 1 hour, you need to be motivated. By what? By how? By inspiration. Inspiration is only 1%. So it range at least no 15 to 30 minutes doing playing Mobile Legends, for example, Clash of Clans, basketball. So only 15 to 30 minutes. Okay? Then after 15 to 30 minutes, then proceed to study again, perspiration, 1 hour again. Then ganun yan, ganun, balik-balik lang yan. That's the cycle. Okay, now, dito tayo sa application. The formula and the study scheme combination for effective and efficient learning. Okay? So we have perspiration. So repeat the cycle 8 times, which would make 8 hours of study in a day. So 1 hour, magbabasa, mag-aaral, then 15 to 30 minutes inspiration, playing Mobile Legends or anything that makes you inspired. Okay? So perspiration, doing something. So yung inspiration natin is only 1%, intermittent for 15 to 30 minutes. Okay? So perspiration and inspiration. Okay, so that's the application of the formula and the daily study scheme. Okay? So I hope you understand the formula and the daily study tips or scheme. Uh, okay, so if you apply those formula, the formula and the daily study scheme, advance congratulations, you are now past the any examination. Okay?